Okay, step 2 of solving the Rubik's Cube. You have a cross on the bottom. Now you want to fill in these 4 squares. So what you want to do is find these squares and you want to put them in this right location. So the best way to do it is you have your logo on top. So keep that up, and then this top row here you want to look, and that's where you want your white squares to be. So here's one of them. So we're going to put that on the bottom. In order to do that, we want to again line up the adjacent color to its center. So we have a white square here, we have a blue square here, we slide it around, and now the blue is lined up with a blue center. So there you go. And then what you want to do, here's your first move that you have to learn. Write this down. You face the color, so here's your white, your adjacent color is blue, so you face the blue, the face with the blue center, and then you turn the right side of the cube, twist that up one, then you turn the top and you go from right to left. Here's your cube, then you go from the right side and turn it down, and there you go. Now that cube is in the right location, and its center here is red to the red center and blue to the blue center, so this piece is in the exact right place. So you want to do that for all the other 3 squares. So here's another one. Its adjacent color is orange. Line it up with the orange. It's already lined up, no problem. It's on the right side, so you take the right side up, you take the top across, there's your lined up squares, you bring it down, and now you have 2 squares in the right places, and they match with their centers. Now, not every time will it be lined up perfectly for you. Sometimes you'll see it on the bottom row. In order to put this in the right place, you have to get it to the top row. So one way to do that is to rotate it up to the top, twist it one time, and then bring it back down. And now we have the piece on the top. Sometimes the piece will start on the top. Again, we need to get it to the side here. Best way to do that is to rotate. So you find out where the piece is. You want to actually get it opposite a missing piece. So if you have one on the top, you want it above one of these 2 missing pieces. So then you rotate where the piece is, you rotate that up, so now it's on the side, and then you rotate around one time, and then you rotate back down again. So you haven't messed up your bottom, but you now have the piece on the front. So now we see the piece is here, its adjacent color is orange, so you bring it over, match up its orange. Now the white piece is on the left side, so what do? You just face the color. In this case it's orange, face the color with the center, so this face, it's on the left side, so you rotate it up just like you did when it was on the right side, but this time you turn the top from left to right so you can get your piece lined up, and then bring the left side back down again, and there you go. Now it's all lined up. Now we have one more piece. Again, it's on the left side here, so we'll rotate to find the green in the center, the red in the center. There it is. Now it's on the right side again, so you rotate the right side up, the top from right to left, and there it is lined up. Bring it back down again, and you have your white square on the bottom, and you can see all of these cubes are facing the right direction and they match their center. So here's all blue matching the blue center, here's orange matching the orange center with an extra piece. That's okay, don't worry about it. And then here's green matched with its center. So you're about halfway there. A few more lessons and you'll be all set.